Hi everyone, welcome to Jazz Academy, step-by-step learning for everyone. And for today, we're gonna start with the basics of algebra. So algebra is one of the most important branches of mathematics, and let's break it down into a simpler way. So algebra is just a part of math where we use letters and symbols to represent number. For example, if we say a number plus 5 is equal to 10, we can write it as x plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay, so a number is x and then plus 5, so we write plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay, so let's have our first example. 2x is equal to 8. So what we want to do is that we want to make sure that x is isolated. So here we have 2 times x is equal to 8. So what number do we multiply by x to make it equal to 8? So it's 4, right? So we can say that 2 times 4 is equal to 8. But when we have to find a solution, we have to write it in another way. So let's say 2x is equal to 8. So since this is multiplication, we want to do the opposite operation of it. So since it's multiplication, we want to divide it by 2 so that the 2's can cancel. But whatever we do to the left, we also have to do to the right. So it's equal to x is 8 over 2, or 8 divided by 2. So what is 8 divided by 2? 8 divided by 2 is 4. So for example number 2, let's have x minus 3 is equal to 12. So again, we have to isolate x. So to remove negative 3, we have to do its opposite operation, which is positive 3. So whatever we do to the left, we also do to the right, so it becomes positive 3. So x is equal to 12 plus 3, which means x is equal to 50. So now let's have our third example, which is 3x plus 2 is equal to 11. So now, first we want to get rid of anything that is not isolating x. So we have here positive 2. Let's remove positive 2 by adding its opposite operation, which is negative 2. So first minus 2. So it becomes, this cancels, so it becomes 3x. And then what's 11 minus 2? 11 minus 2 is 9. So now, let's try to isolate x. So since this is multiplication with x, we want to divide it. So 3x divided by 3. Whatever we do to the left, we also do to the right. This cancels. Then x is equal to 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3. So let's have another example, which is x squared plus 3 is equal to, let's say it is equal to 12. So now first is what we want to do is remove plus 3. So we're going to remove it by its opposite operation, which is minus 3. We're also going to minus to the right side, which leaves us with x squared, and then 12 minus 3 is 9. So we have to do its opposite operation, which is square root of 2. And we're going to square root 9 also. Square root of x squared is just x. And then square root of 9 is equal to 3. So for the last example, let's start with a bit harder example. So let's say 2 times x plus 3 minus 4 is equal to 10. So notice how we have parentheses here, and we have to remember the term of PEMDAS, which means we first have to do parentheses, equation, multiplication, division, then addition and subtraction. So we have here a parenthesis, so let's expand this equation. So we're gonna do this, which is equal to 2 times x is just 2x, and 2 times 3 is just 6. And then we copy this, which is minus 4 is equal to 10. So now we have like terms here, so we can just add them. So 6 minus 4 is also equal to just 2, is equal to 10. So now we have to get rid of positive 2, so minus 2, which is equal to 2x is equal to 8. And 2x divided by 2, so we're going to get x is equal to